We're here in South Burlington at 578 Laural Drive, a great family neighborhood. I actually grew up right around the corner, and it's a very quick walk to both the public school and Nelson High School. The interior has been completely opened up with vaulted ceilings, rain censoring skylights, wall-to-wall built-ins, and so much more. So have a look around. The heated saltwater pool has been completely rebuilt from the foundation with new everything. It's all been professionally finished, including the 12 by 12 pavilion and the stone patio. We've got a lot of photos and videos of this beauty open all summer long, so reach out for a full list of features, media, floor plans, details, and to book yourself a showing.